Hey guys, welcome to day 7. Wait, hold on a second. I'm confused. You should be. It's actually only day 6. It's Monday of week 2.
Yes.
But the reason this is video number 7 is because we had a Q&A on Saturday. And we just wrapped that up. We're going into the actual working day 6, which is Monday.
Mhm.
What the hell happened on day 6? Do we have any or day 6? What happened on day 6?
Yes. So day 6, it was a continuation of day 5 when we had that VA quit. Now we need a replacement. Our CSM had our back and she already set up interviews, which was one of the first things that we did. So I think it was like 30 minutes into our 3-hour day. We brought on the VAs. We started interviewing. I think we had like 5 candidates.
There were some good ones.
There were some good ones, and we could
Oh,
only
it was
choose
hard.
one. And
Mhm.
like Cody actually determined someone's fate. with
So
rock,
did
paper,
your all
scissors.
your lead generation turn off?
Negative, not at all. So like as we were interviewing that new VA, we still had Jerome, and Jerome was still prospecting, which I mean, up to this point, now he's like big brother. Even though it's only been a week, he now knows what we want to do, how we want to do it. He's been in the system. So now he's
Affirmations,
there.
culture.
Affirmations, everything. So when we bring someone in, he's there to help guide them too, right? So amazing. That's why you need to have 2 when it comes to hiring a VA. So our CSM had us. We had 5 interviews. One guy, he didn't actually get to interview because we were like, we have to choose from this. Let's just limit it to the 4. We're running out of time for the day because we had other things that we needed to take care of too. So Cody rock, paper, scissored. And unfortunately, one guy didn't get an interview. But he did get to come on and say, hey guys, this is what I do. And we had so many people like, I want to hire him.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So
it was fun.
it was a ton of fun. So we interviewed and we ended up picking a guy named Daryl. Throughout the challenge, you guys are going to see just how good Daryl is. So that was the day we actually picked him up on day 6. And then Cody, what else did we do?
So we also set up. Sorry, I'm eating, guys, but the SMS set up with the right templates. So we actually did a little bit of SMS and then showed how we respond for Jerome, because we had Jerome that was going to be manning the text messages as we got.
Well, we didn't do that. Yeah. Quite yet up to that point. We were just like, we need to get our templates, and you guys will see in the course itself, like what those templates look like. And we had pretty good response rate from it.
Yeah, no, it was solid. I mean, right off the bat, like we had some good conversations, and Jerome was able to just see how easy it was to just have some good conversations. So.
Yep. And then after we finished that, after we had the SMS templates, so we interviewed the new VA. We had our new SMS templates. We sent out like 250 texts or something.
Yeah.
And it's funny because our first deal actually came from that initial blast.
No.
Yeah. Crazy.
No.
From SMS.
Hold on. Wait. That's what the goal of this business is to get deals? I thought it was so we could watch more YouTube content and go to seminars and pay for more masterminds that I'm not ready for.
Hey, and then sleep the best you've ever slept. Who knows, dude?
Yeah,
but
baby.
that's the thing.
So the first deal came on what day? Could we give people something to look forward to? Was it day 8 or 9?
This week. So within this week, within the next couple days, you guys will see that we were able to actually convert our first deal.
And it came from this text message blast.
Yeah, from the first text message blast.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Crazy. And guess what our SMS templates say?
It doesn't matter because you have a super special secret list that nobody else has access to.
Right, exactly. Literally, our initial texts are like, hey, hi, hello. That's it. And then people respond. And then we say, do you have any properties you'd be interested in? For the good stuff, you guys got to get in the course. But
holy moly. So what about
crazy.
What about a flow chart? Did you guys get into flow charts?
Yes. So once we wrap that up, we interviewed the VAs, we set our SMS template because we were like, okay, again, going back to that same mentality, we're cold calling. We need to be doing more marketing. We want more leads coming in because we need people to talk to. We did the SMS. And then lastly, we did the flow chart. And what did that look like, Cody?
That was where we broke down like what escrow and everything looked like, right?
Mm-hmm.
So basically what I did is I pulled up Lucid chart, and basically where popped up a little box of like property under contract, and it just walked through step by literally every single step of the process from start to finish of a property going under contract to a successful close of escrow. And then another chart showing who's doing what in the organization for it to reach that successful close of escrow.
Mm-hmm. So up to that point, we drew out like, okay, guys, just to make this very straightforward, we now have lead gen, which is a big part of our business. This is who's doing lead gen. Acquisition, who's going to be doing that. Disposition, Mr. Jim that we talked to on day one,
Yep.
admin, we have our back end system set up, right? So literally the entire flow chart of the business, we showed everyone on day 6.
So are you telling me that this shouldn't take me a year or two?
God, I hope not.
I hope not.
If you give yourself a year, maybe.
If you really added up how much work it took to get to this point in terms of real man hours,
Right? Because you got to
like
think
between you, Cody, what would you say it was? Do you think it was like 2-3 hours a day for 6 hours? So you're looking at like, or for 3 hours, you're
Not
looking
even
at
that
10,
long.
12 hours.
Well, we spent a long time just explaining,
Yeah.
right? If it was just me doing it,
Yeah, just us doing it. I mean, that's
Right.
probably 20 hours maybe between both of our times.
both
hours.
of our
Yeah.
times added, yes,
Yeah.
probably. But like honestly, not even 8 hours of my own. So
Right.
I don't know. Yeah, I think that's fair. But at the end of the day, not even half of a real work week.
Right.
You know,
Yeah, no.
crazy.
Okay, cool. So day 6 is absolutely amazing, guys. And you already heard it here, is that this week, in the next couple of days, there's the first contract that came from today, day 6's first text blast. You're going to see all the text scripts.
Ooh.
You're going to see all the magic text script to the magic list that nobody else has access to. So speaking of having access, if you don't have access to Zero to Hero, REI.com, go to the link down below. You can get access to recordings and watch all of these things happen live. But even if you can't get access to them, we want to make sure you have actionable items and things that you understand. Just watching this set of series is that this is how the business transitions and this is how it evolves. And that by day 6, you're sending out text messages. And by day 8 or 9, you're getting contracts. It's that stinking easy. So we will see you in video 8 for day 7. That's really confusing. I'm definitely going to stop using that reference. We'll see you on day 7.
Day 7.